What's up YouTube? Today I'm working on 2012 Audi A8. I'm gonna show you how you can fix your windshield wipers. In my case, after some sunroof leak, the windshield wipers stopped working, and I'll show you what's going on in this car right now. But I finally fixed it and I'll show you what was it, so just stay with me and it's gonna be a really easy fix. Alright guys, here's my Audi, and look inside. I moved all the seats and everything. There was a lot of water in my car, and I still need to work on the sunroof because it still doesn't work, but the windshield wipers, they was just stuck. And what I did was I checked all the fuses and everything, like wiring, everything was fine, and I just got the body control module, and I'll show you the part number, how it look like and where it's located. So if you have 2012 Audi A8, this one gonna work for you perfect. I got this from eBay used, like $60, and it's located right here. Where's your steering column, and under you need to move here's like 3 screws right here and couple bolts under, and you can get to that module really easy. Here's some relays, and on top of that is gonna be that module. So just disconnect those connectors, and you can disconnect your battery before you do that, and just put everything back. And in my case it helped, so now my windshield wipers working perfect. I have some other issues, but it's gonna be in the next episode. Alright guys, that's it. That was just quick tip that I wanted to share with you. If you have the same issue, try to replace that body control module, and I hope it's gonna help you to fix your car. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.